Be ready. Start. The judgment dated 22nd January 2019 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh in CRM number 24691 of 2009, which quashed FIR number 74 dated 13 April 2008 registered against the respondent herein for the offences punishable under sections 420, 467, 468 and 471 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 has been called into question in this appeal. Stop. The first information report against the respondent was registered under sections 420, 467, 468 and 471 of the IPC on the allegation that he had forged and fabricated documents submitted in the course of legal proceedings before the revenue courts. Stop. The relevant facts for the purpose of the present appeal are as follows. Stop. The respondent's mother had filed an application in Tehsil Patti district Taran seeking transfer of the subject property in her name on the basis of possession. Stop. Wide order dated 28 June 2002, the Tehsildar Sales allowed this application directing conveyance in favor of Karamjeet Kaur. Stop. Meanwhile, in the year 2005, the respondent filed a suit for declaration that the subject property was owned by him, which is still pending. Stop. Later, in the year 2006, the respondent filed an appeal against the order of the Tehsildar Sales, claiming that such order was based on an incorrect finding that the application was filed only by his mother while it had actually been made jointly. Stop. Furthermore, in parallel mutation proceedings, the respondent got the subject land mutated in his favor along with his two cousins. Stop. In appeal, the sub-divisional magistrate cum collector Patti declared the mutation as contested, and wide order dated 11 December 2006 mutation was sanctioned in favor of Manjeet Kaur, the elder sister-in-law of the respondent. Stop. The appeal filed by the respondent against such order was dismissed. Wide order dated 6 June 2007. Stop. On 29 August 2007, the SDM cum Sales Commissioner Patti set aside the order of the Tehsildar Sales dated 28 June 2002 directing that the transfer of land be entered jointly in the names of the respondent and his mother. Stop. This was done on the basis of a report submitted by the Tehsildar Patti stating that the initial application for transfer of land had been made jointly by these two persons. Para. In appeal, the Deputy Commissioner cum Chief Sales Commissioner Taran restored the initial order dated 28 June 2002 passed by the Tehsildar Sales, noting that the respondent had submitted forged and fabricated documents in connivance with the Tehsil staff. In the appeal before the SDM cum Sales Commissioner. Stop. Thus, the order dated 29 August 2007 was set aside and a direction was issued to the sub-divisional magistrate Patti to immediately get an FIR registered against the respondent. Stop. In pursuance of the said order, the sub-divisional magistrate Patti addressed a communication dated 11 April 2008 to the SHO Police Station Patti, on the basis of which the FIR in question was registered against the respondent. Stop. The trial commenced after the filing of the charge sheet. Stop. During the trial, a petition was filed by the respondent under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 seeking quashing of the proceedings, which has been allowed void the impugned order. Stop. The High Court, while passing the impugned order, principally accepted the ground raised by the respondent that the Deputy Commissioner cum Chief Sales Commissioner hearing the appeal had neither held an inquiry nor had he directed the subordinate authority to hold any such inquiry against the accused. Stop.